Good morning, students. Today we start from our next topic, that is of biology chapter 1, fundamental unit of life. Today topic is cytoplasm. Previously in last video we have done about the nucleus. Now the next topic is cytoplasm. So as you read in your 8th class, so what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a liquid part of the cell. It is present inside the cell. So it is the fluid content that is present inside the plasma membrane. Okay, clear? When we draw any cell, that is the animal cell, this is the plasma membrane that I have drawn. This is the plasma membrane. In center it is the nucleus, and the space this is between the plasma membrane and the nucleus is filled with a liquid fluid part that is called the cytoplasm. That is called the cytoplasm. That is liquid between plasma membrane and the nucleus. Okay, so what is cytoplasm? It is the fluid content present inside the plasma membrane. So it is covered by the plasma membrane and contains the cell organelles. The word is cell organelles. So what is cell organelle? Cell organelle, there are different cell organelles that are present inside this cytoplasm. As you read in your 8th class, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, ribosomes, mitochondria, chloroplast. These are the different cell organelles that are present in this cytoplasm. Okay, clear? So these are collectively called cell organelles. Okay, so now the cytoplasm is made up of two parts. Cytoplasm is made up of two parts. So which one these two parts? First part is cytosol and the second part is cell organelles. Cell organs, you know, here we discussed that the submicroscopic bodies that are present inside the cytoplasm and they perform their special function, so they are known as cell organelles. But what is cytosol? Cytosol is the liquid part of the cytoplasm. So cytosol is the transparent fluid part of cytoplasm. Transparent fluid part of cytoplasm that contain water, ions, enzymes, vitamins, carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and many more things, RNA. These are present in this cytosol. It is the transparent fluid part of the cytoplasm. And second is the cell organelles, submicroscopic structures specialized to perform specific cellular functions. Cells के अंदर जितने functions हो रहे हैं inside the cell, that are done by the cellular organelles, and these cellular organelles are the different one like endoplasmic reticulum, okay, and Golgi body, okay, ribosomes, mitochondria, chloroplasts, and many more. These organelles are present inside the cell. Clear? So what is cytoplasm? Fluid content present inside plasma membrane, covered by plasma membrane, contain the cell organelles, and it consists of two parts, cytosol and the cell organelle. Cytosol is the transparent fluid part and cell organelles are the microscopic structures that perform special function inside the cytoplasm. Okay, clear? Now the next one is the functions of cytoplasm. कि cytoplasm जो है उसके क्या functions, why this cytoplasm is present inside the cell. So we do about the functions of cytoplasm. Okay, what are the functions of cytoplasm? So first function is it helps in the formation of pseudopodia in amoeba and in the movement of cell organelles. As in 8th class and 7th class we read about the amoeba. Amoeba, there present pseudopodia. Whenever any food particle come in contact with the amoeba body, is outer membrane, then it's the plasma membrane that is outside one, it make, this is the, I'm drawing the diagram of the amoeba, its nucleus, this is outer membrane, this is vacuole. When any food particles come near this amoeba, then this makes pseudopodia. Its membrane makes pseudopodia. This pseudopod is made with the help of this cytoplasm that is present inside its body. So when this pseudopodia make, then they engulf this food particle. It enter inside the amoeba and vacuole, cover it and digest it. Okay, so this formation of pseudopodia is taken by the help of cytoplasm, and the other organelles that are present in the cell, that movement is also done by cytoplasm. So it is active site for several metabolic processes like sugar, protein, fatty acid synthesis. As we read, there are different cell organelles are present inside the cytoplasm, and these cell organelles perform different functions. So these cell organs are present inside the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is the site for these metabolic processes, and it contains very like same again cell organelles, and each cell organ performs special function, and it also help in exchange of materials between these cell organelles. As some materials are made by the endoplasmic reticulum that are transported to Golgi body. From Golgi body, they are transported to the lysosome. So the materials that transport between these cell organelles, endoplasmic reticulum to Golgi body to lysosomes and different other cell organelles, this transport take place with the help of cytoplasm. I think this topic is clear to you. Now I will make my next video that is related to endoplasmic reticulum, that is our first cell organelle. Thank you.